5 smart tin can organizer ideas that don't look cheap. 1. Gold pencil holder. Turn your tin cans into a pencil holder and coat them in gold spray paint so your friends won't suspect a thing. Cut a spare board to size and sand it on all sides and edges. Glue the cans down on the board with liquid nails and let it dry. Paint your cups with several coats of gold spray paint. You might have to do 3 coats to completely cover wood grain on the board. Fill your new organizer with scissors, pens, highlights, and pencils. One of the many tin can organizer ideas that don't look cheap thoughts totally worth trying. 2. Tin can lanterns. With only tin cans, you can have some eye-catching lanterns. Remove the label if your cans happen to have any and pack the cans with sand, top up with water and freeze them overnight. Draw your design in a piece of paper to fit the size of the cans and tape in place. Put the cans on the scent bag and punch holes in them. Put them in the fridge for 30 minutes after each 10 minutes of work so they remain solid. Punch a pair of holes opposite each other 3/8 in. 1 centimeter below the top of the cans for fitting the handle. Remove the sand and make a handle out of a 10 and 25 centimeters length of a wire. Fill the cans with newspaper and spray paint them evenly and attach the handle once they are dry. 3. Vases. With only empty cans and placemat, you can have your own vase. First, decide how tall and wide you want your vase to be and use scissors to cut the placemat. Create a cylinder with the piece you cut and staple the ends together so they stay put in place. Cover the seam where the ends meet with washi tape or electrical tape. Place the can inside of the cylinder and voila! Super cute and easy to make. 4. Wine racks. This is really practical if you are a fan of wine. The trick is to remove both ends of the can, and then arrange them however you like. Then stack and glue the cans to each other. Paint the cans beforehand if you want to make the rack look cute. 5. Rock-covered bucket. Instead of going to Home Depot and spend money on planters, you can make one on your own with a strong not flimsy metal can. Punch a few holes in the bottom with a hammer and a thick nail first for drainage. Apply a thick layer of thin set mortar, then cut the mesh tile with a box cutter and layer the tile on the outside of the bucket. Mix up some grout and add it with a putty knife, then remove excess with a sponge. There you have it. A nice fully functioning planter ready to use.